Ziggy. Sit. Sit. Good boy. Oscar. Sit. Sit. Oscar. Sit. Holly, down. Are you going to sit for me? Not a hope. Not a hope with you two. Ziggy, sit. Ziggy, sit. Good. Oh, now sit. Are you going to sit for me, Elizabeth? Maybe once. Go on. Sit. 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 Go on. Sit. Sit. Go on.
Bring Ben in.
Holly, down.
Bring Ben in.
Hello, Benji. I'll give Ben one first. Benji! I don't want him to get trampled. Leave. Leave. Oscar, leave it. Good boy. Good boy. Right. What's this? What's this? Holly, down. Down. Good boy, Oscar. One for you. Oscar. He said I want what he had. He is, isn't he? Would you like this one? Ah. Leave it. Leave it. Ziggy, leave it. Good girl, Elizabeth. You take that one. You want this one, Oscar? Ah. Down. Leave. Okay. Good boy. Down, Holly. Down. Holly. Down. Down. Sit down. Down. Good girl. Okay. Good girl. You gonna sit? Good boy, Ziggy. Leave it. Come here. Come here. Leave it. Leave it. Sit. Sit. Leave it. Leave it. Get it. Get it. Good boy. What's this? And you? Good girl. Good girl. Is Ben safe? Treasure. Good boy, Ziggy.